Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
This is parking on the highway. At Knob Creek Machine Gun Shoot. Holy flippin' gods. This is why you get there early, so you can park on the grass. And if you're smart, you bring your handicap sticker. And Wayne's nodding in agreement. Because he forgets this is audio and he can't see him nodding.
Gotta go back to the hotel first?
Not necessarily.
No.
Up to you.
I don't care.
I figured we'd just be able to head that way. Oh my god, quarter mile or still.
Yeah, it's clearing up a little bit. Yeah, you had people that walked over a mile. Easy, over a mile.
Oh yeah.
Everybody's reloading. This guy just 45 back. Yeah, it's funny.
We're pissed off because we had to disarm inside there, but
yeah.
Yo, Bam Bam, take a look at this. These are the people that actually come out and admit to it.
Admit to what?
Gun owners like guns. And these are the people that, these are just the people that admit to it. And I hope this guy doesn't flip over. Oh, he's gonna flip.
Yep, he sure is. He's still trying to.
And there's nothing that we could do to help him either.
No. You might as well just